everyone, hope you're fine. In this video tutorial, I will tell you how you can enable and use OTG in your device OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite and CE2 Lite 5G. So if in this device, if you want to use the OTG or if you want to enable the OTG, you can easily do this by the way, as I will show you in this video tutorial. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can use or enable the OTG in your device. Let's watch the video.